You're probably wondering where day 10 is. Well, so am I. Basically, I messed up. I actually forgot that I stayed in Assilah for 2 days and forgot to add the extra day. So the last video was actually day 10. Anyway, I'll put that down to an editing error and move on. So now we've got that all sorted out, welcome to Spinning Wheels. Here we go then, day 11, yes it's definitely day 11 of my solo motorcycle tour of Morocco. As always, I'm on board Klaus, my trusty 2011 BMW 1200 GS Adventure. Today we leave Sidi Slimane and head for the city of Fez, known as the country's cultural city. If you are new to the channel and you want to start the tour from the beginning, click on the link at the top of the page. Right, let's go find some fuel. As we leave the city, we see the familiar sight of a family moving their cattle to pastures new. And the view opens up to miles of farmland and more beautiful marbled blue skies. It really is a wonderful sight. So here we are approaching some small roadworks, and this is a familiar theme throughout Morocco as the country is upgrading a lot of its roads, and a lot of the small tracks are between the villages and the cities are getting upgraded so the locals have easy access to towns and cities around the country. come up behind this lorry, I will explain what I've learned from the Moroccan road etiquette. The older lorries are very slow as they are overloaded and the brakes are basically inadequate for the loads that they carry, as you will see. And it seems that sounding your horn is accepted to make people aware of your presence and did save me from getting hit numerous times. However, to be fair, the Moroccan drivers are very quick to apologise for any mistakes they make. All in all, once you get into the rhythm of the Moroccan roads, it's actually a great experience. As I said, overloaded. So I'll leave you all here now as I push on to Fez. I've enjoyed today's ride with the scenery slowly changing from green to the yellow and brown, and seeing the well-packed, however overloaded lorries was definitely an experience. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and I look forward to seeing you all again on Spinning Wheels. And remember, every ride is an adventure.